What's up guys, it's Anthony, and today's video we're going to be working on putting new parts and tearing our donor engine down and putting it back together. Getting it ready to put back in Rusty, my 1999 XJ. That's obviously Rusty. But yeah, so we got a lot to do, and let's see if we can't get that done. I'll bring you guys along for it, and let's see what happens. Alright, so got it kind of stripped down, kind of taped up, and sprayed with some degreaser. Gonna let that sit, finish hooking up the pressure washer, and spray this whole thing off. Alright, I don't know what we left off on, but it's been a little while since we've worked on my Jeep. So this is the engine out of my Jeep. This is the new one that we're putting in. We're going to pull the water pump off, pull the timing cover off, just try and clean all this engine up, make it nice. I went ahead and painted the fan like a cool color shift color. It's this color right here, purple to blue shift. So we're gonna do like the valve cover, the front cover, just kind of everything, just to kind of make it nice, clean it up, make it look pretty. So at least that's the goal. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, we'll set the tripod up, and I think we'll start with maybe pulling the valve cover off, getting it cleaned up. I have these little grommets, the valves, and everything like that to break out of the valve cover and get it painted. So I think we'll probably start with that and see what happens. So yeah, but I'll probably set you guys up and let you guys just see what we're doing. So yet again, I was slacking yesterday. We got valve cover off, water pump off. I'm gonna hold off on the timing cover and the oil pan. I'm running out of time. I want to get this thing in here, out of the shop, and I want to get on to some of the other stuff that we have ready to go for Moab, and maybe hit the trail. Just make sure that everything is working before we drive all the way to Moab and then I break it. But valve cover's painted. We got the new little grommets in, and the PCV valve and just the vent thing. I gotta try and get the hoses loose from mine or from the old pieces, which are over there in that wagon. But yeah, so we're gonna finish slapping this stuff back on. Yesterday there was that bolt that broke. I think I filmed it. So I need to take one of these two bottom bolts and run to Napa and see if I can't get some new hardware, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I just kind of skipped through this, but valve cover's done, fan clutch is on, new water pump, new thermostat and gasket, painted a couple of things, just got everything situated and good. Next thing is we're going to go ahead and move the old engine, put it over there out of the way. Need to put the intake manifold on this engine, and then work on, so I gotta take the intake manifold off of that one because that fuel rail got bent, but I might try and straighten that out. We'll see. So I guess I'll figure that out first. Might try and straighten that out. But then we'll go ahead and get these moved around and work on putting it back in there. Well, I've almost got a fully completed engine. I just need to put the last two bolts in the top. I don't know if I'm going to try and put the engine in this way, or if I'm going to do the chain like how I did that way. I got a bolt to put in here that was longer, so we'll see. But you know, it's pretty much there, pretty much ready to go. So pretty exciting. But we're gonna clean up my mess, and we're gonna be done for the night. What's up, guys? So you can see we got intake on. This is just the intake off of my old engine, which is over there. We got everything kind of buttoned back up. New water pump, new thermostat and gasket, new water outlet, painted to a couple of things to make it look nice. We did the new gaskets and the PCV and the vent valve thing for the valve cover. Other than that, I think we're pretty much ready to go ahead and put this in. So yeah, that'll probably be the next video. I'm trying to bump up the video, however many videos there are. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. If I missed something, let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off here. Has been Anthony, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later.